You've had it for years. That one cap. Maybe it's from your favorite team. Maybe it reminds you of college. Maybe your dad gave it to you. It's more than fabric. It's memory, identity, comfort. But what if I told you that every time you wash it, or worse, don't wash it at all, you could be silently destroying it. And the worst part? Most people don't even know they're doing it wrong. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and our Emergency Speed Cleaning checklist, plus a free and supportive community of like-minded individuals. What I'm about to show you could literally save your favorite hat from being ruined forever. The emotional attachment we never talk about. We all have that one cap. Maybe it's sun-faded, a little worn around the brim, but it fits perfectly. You've traveled with it, gone to games, hiked mountains. Maybe it even covered up a bad hair day before a job interview. But over time, something happens. It gets sweaty, dusty, greasy. The inner band turns dark. The color fades. And then, one day, you make a decision. Let me wash it. You throw it in the washing machine. Or worse, toss it into the dishwasher. And when it comes out, it's ruined, misshapen, warped, limp like a rag. The brim, bent. The logo, cracked. And you're left with regret. Because that hat wasn't just gear, it was yours. The common mistakes everyone makes. So why do so many people mess up something as simple as cleaning a cap? Because we assume it's just like clothes. But it's not. Baseball caps, especially older or vintage ones, are made from delicate materials, wool blends, cardboard brims, hand-stitched logos. Even modern ones with plastic brims can lose their shape when soaked or spun. And here's something most people never realize. Washing your cap the wrong way doesn't just fade the color, it damages the memory. The story of Vikram's favorite cap. Let me tell you about Vikram, a viewer who emailed me after one of my videos on sentimental clutter. He had this old Yankees cap, given to him by his uncle, who passed away years ago. The cap was more than gear. It was connection, comfort, and family. One summer, he wore it every day. It got stained, soaked in sweat, and dusty. So one day, he threw it into the washing machine. The result? Destroyed. The brim folded. The fabric stretched. The thread on the logo unraveled. He told me, "It felt like I ruined a piece of someone I loved." That's when I realized, this isn't just about cleaning hats. It's about preserving stories. The right way to clean your baseball cap without ruining it. All right, now let me show you how to actually clean your baseball cap. The right way. Step 1. Understand the type of cap you have. Check the inside tag. Is it wool, cotton, polyester? Vintage caps from before the 90s often have cardboard brims, which should never be soaked. If the brim bends easily and doesn't bounce back, it's likely cardboard. Newer caps usually have plastic brims and are safer to clean, but only if you're careful. Step 2. Make a gentle cleaning solution. In a small tub or sink, mix cold water with a few drops of mild detergent or baby shampoo. Avoid bleach or harsh cleaners. They can stain or fade your cap. This gentle solution helps lift sweat and oils without stripping color. Step 3. Spot clean first. Dip a soft bristle toothbrush or cloth in the solution and gently scrub the sweatband, inside lining, and dirty spots on the outside. Don't soak it yet. Just spot clean areas that need attention. Be gentle. Think of it like brushing an old book cover. Step 4. Soap carefully, if safe. If your cap has a plastic brim, you can safely soak it for 15 to 30 minutes in cold soapy water. If it's vintage with cardboard, skip soaking, stick to spot cleaning only. While it soaks, gently swirl the water with your hand. Don't twist, squeeze, or bend the brim. Step 5. Rinse and dry, the right way. Rinse your cap under cold water, but again, don't crush it. Let the water run through naturally. Now comes the crucial part. If this video helped you reconnect with that story, please like and subscribe. It helps me share more untold truths and hidden tips to protect the things that matter.